So you have everything ready for your new audio system, including the speakers, stereo, amps, and wiring. But what's next? Here's the basic breakdown of the tools you'll need for a successful install.
Trim panel tools. Plastic tools ideal for removing doors, panels, and trim. Pick and hook set. Let you reach those hard to get spaces. Wire butt connectors. Easily connect two wires together. Box cutter or small knife. Wire cutter, stripper, crimper. Various Phillips and flathead drivers. Socket wrench set. Allen wrench set. Torx driver set. Flashlight. Electrical tape. Small container to keep those loose items organized. Digital multimeter. A digital multimeter is an electronic device used to measure various electrical properties, including voltage, current, and resistance.
And that's it. Those are the basic tools you'll need to keep handy for your installation. I'm Colin for Boss Basics. If you like this video, make sure you hit like and subscribe to get the latest videos from Boss Audio Systems. We'll see you soon.